Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have 2x. This one we have number 1. Next, because this is about 5x minus number 5, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. And we have like this. So this one we change for u. 5x minus number 5 dx we change for this one. So u divided by u, we have number 1. And we have negative u over 2. And I will put about c. Because the integration of the u, we have u. Now, about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.